Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Realme 8i. Firstly, open Play Store on both devices, click on the search bar and type Send Anywhere. Now install this free app from this developer, and when you're done, click on Open. Over here you need to select I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Now we need to wait for this one to download and do exactly the same. So I accept, confirm, continue, allow. Then select receive on Realme and send on an Android. Following that, you need to click on all of those dots and choose send. This way you will send all of those files. It will take a long time though, so I will go into Photos category, select one of them and tap on send. Then click got it, and as you can see from here we have two connection ways. We can input this password over here and choose receive or scan QR code. If you want to scan it, click on this scanning icon on Realme. Now you need to select while using the app or only this time and point your camera at the QR code. Then we wait. As you can see, my photo was successfully transferred. If you wish to make sure of it, you can always go into, for example, Files app, click on Browse in the middle, tap on, in my case, Images, and look for Send Anywhere section. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!